If you have a house in Girard, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Girard, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Girard prefer to sell to us and work with us rather than working with a traditional buyer who needs to qualify for a mortgage or might be using a real estate agent. So first things first, people love working with us because we're going to buy your house in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, you don't need to haul anything away. So there's no trips to the Home Depot, you don't got to hire a handyman, and you don't got to pull out the broom and the dustpan or the Windex and the paper towels and clean anything. We buy houses as is, true as is. There's no money out of your pocket whatsoever to fix anything. We buy houses that need a lot of work, and sometimes they don't need a lot of work. It's totally fine. Whatever the condition is, we'll buy the house in its as is condition, and then anything that you want to take out of the house, take it. It's yours, that's all your stuff. Anything you don't want or don't need, you could just leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. Because what allows us to buy these houses as is we don't work with third-party lenders. We work with cash. So there's no approvals needed. With a traditional buyer, oftentimes you got to get that approval from their mortgage lender. And this could be a nightmare for you as the seller because the first thing that happens with a traditional buyer is they're going to send through this thorough inspector. And this is a journey. If you could survive the inspection, right? It's very intrusive. They're going to test every single outlet, every single switch, every single, ceiling fan, every single window and door. And what they're doing is compiling a whole pages and pages of everything wrong with your house in Girard. And that's only going to be used against you. It's going to be used against you for extensions or discounts or renegotiation tactics and stuff like this. And then if you survive that inspection, it gets worse because now they got to send the appraiser through. The appraiser typically represents the bank. They certainly don't represent you. And we all know the bank has their own intentions in mind, and they're only thinking about themselves at the end of the day. They can pull the rug out from under this thing at any time. And if they do, and if they cancel on you, you're right back to square one, but you're out because time is money, especially in real estate. All the time that you wasted, you're still paying for the utilities, you're still paying for the insurance, and you're still paying for the property taxes. Overall, it's just a ton of opportunity missed and opportunity cost for you. You can bypass all of that. You can sell to a direct buyer, and that's exactly what we do. We buy houses in Girard fast for cash. We got hundreds of reviews and testimonials, and we'd love the opportunity to at least explore options with you as well. So if you have a house in Girard, you could give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website because we were founded in Columbus, but we work with sellers in Girard and actually all over Ohio. And when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about your house and then know more about your closing timeline. If you want to close quick, we could accommodate. If you want to be flexible and set a future date, we can do that as well. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer. If our offer works for you, great, we'll make it happen. If our offer doesn't work for you, we'll shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any awkwardness or pressure, fake urgency, tactics and gimmicks and games. And we're locals. You're a local, we're a local. We're going to treat you that way. This is not some call center. We're a family business, right? I'm a family man. So I'm just going to be on the phone with you. What do you want for the house? Let's make it happen. If it doesn't work for you, that's okay too. This is not games, gimmicks. That's what you get with these call centers. I know you get those text messages, and so do I, right? Oh, I want to buy your house. Who are these people? They've never been to Girard, Ohio. They've never heard of Girard, Ohio, but they're going to buy your house and make you an offer? Be very careful of that stuff. Just work with locals. Work with people who have a reputation. We have hundreds and hundreds of reviews and testimonials. I'm happy to share it all with you. So if you have a house in Girard and you want to sell for cash to a direct buyer like us and be treated fairly, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.